Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today we are going to talk about this Creative Boost Room Sprays. This will help you if you're feeling stuck creatively. You give these a good spritz around the room, sniff them, and then get to work. I'm trying to beat the slump I get after the holidays. Lisa Congdon, the illustrator, talks about the peaks and valleys of creating, and I'm definitely in a valley right now. So to combat that feeling, I made this room spray that goes along with my creative ritual that I talk about here. I found this recipe on Hello Glow, and it's a basic room spray using witch hazel or alcohol. I'll be using vodka in mine because that's what I have. And I'm using citrus in both of them to give me a little happiness in my creative boost. 1 teaspoon of vodka to 6 teaspoons of water. I'm using bergamot oil to combat anxiousness. I'm using a citrus bliss oil to feel happy. And I'm using ylang to combat feelings of frustration. 10 drops of bergamot, comes out fast. 5 drops of citrus bliss, 10 drops of ylang. Now whenever I want a creative boost, I give it a shake and spritz. It smells really good. It's got a floral, citrusy, yummy kind of smell. Some of you know I work full time as well as do Break Remake. So I want to, after work, give myself a little pick-me-up so I can focus, get some creative work done for Break Remake, and also calm down after the long day. So in this spray, it'll be my PM creativity spray, will be 10 drops of lemon for mental fatigue and 10 drops of lavender for relaxation. Give it a shake. Let's see how this one smells. Ooh, I really like that one. It smells so refreshing. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you do to get over your creative slumps. We'll see you next time. Bye. You want me to do it again?
Yeah.
I'm ready for video.